What's going on? Welcome to our channel. So today we are at a car meet. This is all Audis. A few maybe like we saw Lambo here, a Miata, but mostly Audis. Pretty cool cars, mostly like modded. And then also we have our friend Jason, one of our followers on YouTube.
What's up?
And he's gonna share what he's got, his car.
I got a bone stock A6 2012. I think this is the year. This is the year to start modding it.
Yeah.
So
what do you want to do to it?
Internally, man, probably gonna put some dual pulleys in it. You know, obviously, I wanna tune it.
Okay, so you mostly want to do like engine work?
Yeah, I want to do a lot of engine work.
Okay.
Probably
Nice.
update the system, and then, you know, try to make the car look as cool as possible.
Yeah. So what about cosmetics? What do you want to do with body?
You know, I definitely want to change out the front grille.
Okay. Yeah. The grill's a must. Yeah.
You know, I want to get a whole new, you know, set of rims. We'll see. I mean, mainly I know that this car, if you you know, put down a tune, you could probably bump it up 100 horsepower. So
yeah,
I'm excited to kind of.
You looking at which APR?
Either APR or IE.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
nice.
Maybe I'll tap you back.
Want to show us the inside?
Yeah. I did. I gotta finish it up, but I did change out my trim.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool.
But I'm gonna change out the
like
grill
that.
once I update.
Yeah, I do like that because I have that wooden looking trim and it's not really
Yeah,
good
it
looking.
wasn't bad. I went through a company out in Arizona. These guys are really good. So it's real. It's like they do a real wrap. It's not like
Yeah.
tape or anything.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait, hold on.
I sent it in. And
It's wrapped?
it's not wrapped.
Oh, okay. So it's an actual replaced plastic. Or, okay. So we got the similar interior as the
Change
A4.
out the steering wheel.
Yeah, the 3-spoke. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice. It's not bad.
It's not bad. It kept up. It's got 95,000 miles. I think it's a good time.
Okay.
Ran through all its warranties.
Okay. Not a bad car, man.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Not a bad car
Yeah,
for us.
good luck with it, man. I'd like to see it, you know, turned into a nice machine.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll be in one of the videos in the future. Yeah, for sure.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned.
Yep. Yes, sir. Now we'll get you guys some shots of all these cars that we got here. So obviously we got the A7 here. It's complete. It's looking pretty good. And then the A4. With the weather here in Colorado, snow, the lip didn't last too long, as you can see. But the new one's in already. I mean,
yeah,
we got it ordered, right?
I got a new one. It's in the garage. I'll probably end up replacing it a little bit later when all the snow melts and more or less the summer arrives. I'm also planning on reinforcing it a little better. That way this same thing doesn't happen again. I mean, losing 99 bucks for a lip like this kind of sucks, but isn't the end of the
I mean, thank
world.
God it's only 99 bucks.
Yeah.
These things usually are like 500 bucks typically.
Yeah,
for a
and
lip
considering
like
the bumper is all good, I'm happy about that.
Yeah.
So I'll probably reinforce it with like Bondo or some sort of body filler the next time I put it on. That way it's more rigid, but that'll be more of a project sometime in May or June.
Nice.
What about you, Ty? What sort of mods will you be doing on the A7?
So today, hopefully, I'm gonna smoke these guys black. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be black as well. And let's see.
you get rid of this badge?
The badge? I know.
The badge is gonna stay.
It doesn't look too bad. If I go the honeycomb route, then I'll definitely get rid of it. My only concern is when I do the honeycomb, then my camera, I don't know, I've heard a lot of reviews, people are saying that they don't have a good system. You'd have to get the RS7 actually style. So I don't know how that's gonna work. But anyways, and then also in the back over here, what I want to do is I want to completely debadge it. So get rid of the A7, then the 3.0, and then smoke the rings.
This was it. Sweet. What about rims? I know that they're
rims,
pretty
I'm good.
scuffed up from the last owner.
Yeah.
You gonna get rid of those or gonna replace them?
So the only one that's really scuffed up is the driver. That's where the impact was. So I'll show you guys again. But as far as the wheel style, I really like them. These are the 20s. They look pretty good. I like them a lot. So this is where the major impact was right here. But I mean, other than that, not much curb rash over here. So it looks pretty good.
Are you gonna lower it?
No, no sir.
It is pretty, I mean, I'm just saying it's a little tall compared to the A4.
It is. I mean, if I get a lip, it's, you know, I mean, what do we got here?
I'm getting a lip now.
What do we got here? About that much. And then
9 inches is my guess versus 7.
Yeah.
5 on mine.
Yeah, something like that.
And then visor.
Yeah, you know, actually, that's one more thing I want to do. I want to do the visor. It's a very simple, only 20 bucks. But then I think it's low.